Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add double underline in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to add double underline, go to the insert menu, then select the draw text box option and draw a text box. Then write text on this text box. Then select this text, click and drag on our mouse and go back the home menu. Then increase the font size. Now we want to add double underline, go to the click the underline option, then go to the font settings, then open a window, then go to the underline option and choose double, then click OK, then click outside of the text box and we can see we make a double underline very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.